Okay, so I had Hashimoto's disease and celiac and Raynaud's and a little bit of rheumatoid arthritis, parasitical and fungal infections. The Hashimoto's started 45 years ago, and the rest started 31 years ago when I went to Peru and caught parasites. So that created symptoms like all over the body. Actually, like not one system was working correctly. I did the progressive and the intensive online, and then I decided that that was it. I was never going to stop doing this. So I started getting up at 4:30 in the morning and doing a meditation, and then at 8:30 at night I was sitting on the chair in my bedroom doing the night meditation. I did various meditations that lasted from 45 minutes to an hour. And I did that until I went to Toronto. And then when I got to Toronto, then I had all these things. Oh, and I also had a bursitis. Yeah, I couldn't move my arm for like almost 2 years. And now I move it like I can pull it up and like I was 20, you know? And so I did that. And in Toronto, I really gave everything that I had. So at the Toronto week-long advance, I was a Healy in the coherence healing meditation, and my body convulsed all over the place. And after that, my body eliminated for like 36 hours. Then I felt so free. It was incredible how free I felt. I had never felt so free in my stomach for like the 30 years. And here's a list of what I healed. So I healed my depression, like chronic depression that I had all the time. I healed my scoliosis. I healed, I had lymph nodes after I got the parasites. I have, like, my lymph nodes here were always swollen and hurting, and that lasted for 30 years. But now, after Toronto, completely disappeared, completely. Didn't even notice. They were just not there anymore. I gained back a bit of hearing, and my muscle pain has reduced probably 75%. My joint pain has disappeared completely. The nausea is like, I used to be nauseous 24 hours a day. That cut down by about 80%, 85 maybe. The digestion has gotten probably 50% better. And the acid refluxes have almost disappeared. And my insomnia is not there anymore. And so after Toronto, I continued meditating. Now I meditate at least 2 to 3 hours a day. And I will never stop, you know? And now I'm back here, and I had a healing yesterday, and my body is reacting to that as well. So we'll see what that gives as a result.